What's up, everybody? It's Jared here at Big Pine Sports. I'm going to show you a little bit of information about the AXIA Alloys GoPro mount. Come on forward and let me show you a couple of things. One thing's to note on these GoPro mounts, you guys, is you can take a small Allen wrench. You can undo these Allen screws here. And one thing people don't know, they do think there's a little bit of adjustment in there side to side. But once we take off this GoPro mount, let me show you, see if we can get it. There's actually a whole bunch of tiny holes there, so you can align this mount in any direction you want by posting it in those holes. I'm actually turning it 180 degrees to mount it onto my KRX right here. So you're gonna wanna just take and put those screws back in to any of those existing holes. So yes, tons of adjustment. You can get it on any angle that you wish. Now, all of the AXIA Alloys stuff is very high quality. I've been running it for a long time. All of their mirrors have lifetime warranty against glass breakage, and they'll work on any machine that you have. Why is that? All you need to do is know what your cage size is. We do have that available on our website for every machine. You'll be able to see what your cage is. For example, on the KRX 1000, this outside cage is 1 3/4 inches. The top crossbars are 1.5 inches. So if you're mounting an accessory on the outside, 1 3/4 inches, something like a rear view mirror or the dome light that we've installed here, 1.5 inches. Now, a little tidbit when you guys go to install these, don't pre-stretch these clamps. They're gonna be a little bit tight when you go to put them around the cage, but we're not gonna want you to grab the clamp and pre-stretch it. So all you're gonna do is kind of come up to the cage and just snap it onto the cage. If you've got a section you're worried about scratching the cage, put one little loop of black tape around it and it'll mount up just fine. And then you're gonna take your bolt, hold up your GoPro mount in this case, run your bolt and nut through, and then just secure it to the machine. One thing I will advise you, if you guys decide to move your mounts, number 5, if you decide you want to move your mount somewhere different, when you go to undo your bolt that holds it onto the cage, don't use an impact, and when you're backing it out, do it nice and slow. So there you have it. The GoPro mount is available for every cage diameter, all the way from about 1 inch to 3 inch. That will fit on just getting the right clamp. If you have any questions, you can give us a call, 435-427-3338. Of course, you can check us out on the web at Big Pine Sports. We also have all of the AXIA Alloys accessories available on our sister store, Ruthless Motorsports. Check them out on the web, you guys. A lot more information to come. Definitely don't overlook the AXIA Alloys stuff. We have done some more AXIA stuff on this, like their foldable mirror. What's nice about this mirror, it will work with that factory glass windshield. Smack a tree, it's going to fold out of the way and you can pull it back out. Dome light and a whole bunch of other accessories. More videos to come, you guys. Stay tuned. If you haven't, be sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. I'm out for now. See you guys.